how to deactivate your Facebook account. So if you want to deactivate your Facebook account, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your Facebook application. After opening your Facebook, you need to go with your profile, which was on the top right, or go with the 3 horizontal lines and make sure that you're not on your page and make sure that you're on your Facebook account. So I'll go and switch to my Facebook account. Once you're on your account, you need to go with the top right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Scroll down, go with settings and privacy and tap on settings. Under settings, go with the account center. Under account center, you need to scroll down, go with personal details, go with account ownership and control, and select deactivation or deletion. Now from here, you need to select Facebook that you would like to delete or deactivate. And here you will have two options. One is deactivate your account and the other one is delete your account. So if you want to deactivate, select the first one, go with continue. And if you've created any pages or profiles, those will also be deactivated. So you need to go with continue, which is on the bottom, and enter your password. Once you enter your Facebook password, your account will be deactivated. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.